Hey guys, BitFarms is running. I think I talked about this ticker like a month or so ago, back when it was around maybe possibly like under $6, 5.75 ish. So I actually bought around the $6 mark. My average is around 6.15. I actually bought a little bit more today in the morning. Currently have 4,600 shares. My position is a little bit under. My original position is a little bit around $28,000. I'm gonna keep holding this because I think that Bitcoin and Ethereum are gonna keep rallying to the upside. I was thinking about actually selling some calls. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I do think that by September 17th, BitFarms is gonna keep pushing to the upside. I want to see if Bitcoin and Ethereum actually close a week bearish between this week, next week, the week after. But I still think that Bitfarms is undervalued. The market valuation right now is about $1 billion. I actually think that it can run to $3 billion. So I think that a solid price target right now for me would be somewhere around the range of $18 to $20. Possibly the next time we hit a bull cycle for all of crypto. So again, keep in mind we are not in a bull cycle right now. We are definitely still in a bear cycle and a bear monthly cycle for all of crypto. And there's a lot of things that need to happen for us to convert over. And the big, like 95% of that is actually closing a bullish month. As of right now, we have been closing ever since I think July, weekend bearish months. In order for me to actually confirm that we're going to be completely mooning to the upside, is we need to close a full bullish month, and I think that might possibly happen in October. I don't see September closing bullish, at least not yet. It does look like a weak bear right now, but I think it'll be like on borderline on weak bear and bullish. Again, you guys already know that as far as what I think as soon as we close a bullish month for Bitcoin, I think that minimum we're gonna see a 3x on Bitcoin 250 days out, and this is all just done from historical runs that I've gone past for years and years and years and years, right? So I already told you guys like before the market crash happened, before the crypto crash happened back in and I started shorting it like what, February, March, whatever. I made a huge in-depth analysis of what I thought Bitcoin can run to after the crash, right? And I did say that from minimum 28,000, it'll do minimum a 3x 250 days after we close a bullish month, and I still think that can happen as long as that month closes bullish. But there's a lot of things that are kind of condescending right now, where the week can turn bearish, the day is still like bearish, the 4 hour is popping. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now. So I'm just kind of playing it short term right now, at least for Bitfarms. But I do think this ticker, as far as valuation, I do think it should definitely be more trading in the range of $18 to $20, if not a lot, if not higher. I definitely think it can reach up there, especially with Bitcoin and all of crypto running to the upside. But this one I'm holding for now. But if we do manage to close a bullish month, I'm just gonna keep this one, because I feel like a 3x for this would hit like a minimum within 250 days after that bullish month close. So I'll see you guys later. BitFarms is doing a really good job. I think that over the weekend it'll probably run a little bit harder because of crypto, and then on Tuesday it'll probably open up maybe at $7. But again, crypto can crash during the weekend, so I have absolutely no idea. I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.